Hey, what's up everybody, this is JC and I got another video for you guys. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this power bank that I bought to use on the Steam Deck. Now this one is made by Baseus and you can pick it up on Amazon for $59.99 and I'll leave the link in the description. Now this one push out 65 watts of charge and this has a battery size of 20,000 milliamperes, and right here shows adamant metal digital display quick charger. For a side note, if you use an ordinary power bank, you can connect it to the Steam Deck, but it's going to show up a slow charge and the battery on the Steam Deck is still going to drain. If you're going to use a power bank on the Steam Deck, it has to be at least between 20 to 30,000 milliamperes in size, and it has to be pushing out at least 65 watts. Anything else is just a waste of money and time. So let's just look at the box and see what it says right here. One LED digital display screen, as you can see right here at the front already. PD 3.0 plus Q 3.0 two-way fast charging. All right, here what does it says? 2 inputs and 3 outputs, and again the size 20,000 milliampere battery. So you can connect multiple devices on this bad boy. I think there's multiple ways of charging it. I can plug in multiple devices to charge as well. Anything else on the box to say? No. Okay, let's open it up and see what we got. All right, so and let me mention, this comes in 2 colors, blue and matte black, but this blue right here is fantastic. It looks beautiful. Oh wow, this is a beautiful blue. But anyway, put that to the side. First thing first, it comes with 2 right here. It comes with 2, not 2, I'm just tripping today. It comes with a USB Type-C cable, but you could tell this is USB 2.0, so you won't have quick data transfer and all of that stuff, and real quick charging. To get the real quick charging and all of that, I would suggest you get yourself a USB Type-C 3.1 cable. It's going to say USB 3.1 Gen 2. This is just a typical USB Type-C, so it's going to get the job done, but not as of what you expect. And you could tell this is probably like a 2 or 3 foot cable, which is pretty short. Anyway, what else is inside the box? Comes with a warranty card. Nice touch. Trying to see what it says, how long do you have to take to return it. Anyway, I'll leave that alone. If you buy from Amazon, you already know the deal. You don't like it within 30 days, send it back, get the money back. And this is the booklet right here. Anyhow, this is what it is. Got a nice little weight to it. Feels very good. I like it. It feels solid. I just can't get over the way this blue look. It looks nice. Oh, you got a power button right here, and right here you can it shows you that you can connect 2 USB ports, 2 USB A right here, as you can see. Bring it up close so you can see. All right, everything else is in Chinese, and these are the voltage and wattage. And you got one right here. You got a micro USB Type B and USB Type C. For the USB Type B, you can connect it's just in. For the Type C, it can be in and out. And you see also a label right here, so that means for quick charging. All right, now in my previous video I talked about cases, and I got my case right here. I don't use the Steam Deck case no more. As you can see, the Steam Deck case, I put it back in its original housing, and I'm using this one right here. This is my new go-to case. Oh, I'm making a mess right here. This is my new go-to case. Let me show you guys real quick. This one is a MVRPDXC. Why they can't make things simple? And I like this. This is my go-to case for my Steam Deck. And I just want to see if it will fit inside my Steam Deck. I mean my case. Fit perfect. I like that. So see I'm traveling on the street and I'm playing my favorite game on the Steam Deck. I'm running out of juice. I can always connect it up like this from the bag, and then boom, connect my Steam Deck to it, and I'm good to go. But I did not turn it on yet, but I'll show you. Also, let me see if it could fit on the inside compartment. So let's see if it fits on the inside of this thing right here. Boom, fits perfect. Good, ideal. I like that. So this is the right size to travel with. That's what a lot of us buy these things for. Like I said, we play a lot of games on the Steam Deck, especially AAA games, and we want to take our continue the gaming, or we need some juice. So it's good to have one of these on deck, and it can fit in the carrying case that I show you. And if you like that carrying case, I got a video, you can look at it, and also I'll leave the link in the description so you can pick it up as well. So let's see if this got any juice. So I'm gonna hit the power button here. So right off the jump, it comes to 80% of juice. Now for the moment of truth, let's see if it works. I'm gonna connect this bad boy right here to the Steam Deck. As you can see, I'm gonna connect the cord to the Steam Deck, and I'm gonna connect the brick, connect the cord to the brick, the USB Type-C port. All right, okay, there we go. So right there, it shows right there the wattage. No, what's this right here? I can't even see. Got the plastic right here. Okay, I think the percentage, it got 79%. And if I hit it right here, it tells you the voltage is pushing out 15 volts and at 2 amperes. Oh, it keeps going because it's charging. So these things are going to fluctuate during time. So when I press the button one time, again, it tells you the amount of juice you got left back with the 79%. And it tells you the voltage. And it tells you the amperes. And you can see right here, Steam Deck is charging. Well, let me do something real quick. Let me see if the sign is going to come up when it tells you if it's going to be slow charging or not. So I unplug it. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see real quick. So zoom in. It's 82%. Let's plug it back inside the brick. Boom. No recording. Just keep charging. All right. So we can see that it works. I'm going to hold on for at least a couple minutes. I'm going to see if it's charging or it's just holding the percentage of the Steam Deck. Okay, I got this game up and running right now, and like I said, this game is demanding. This game is taxing on the battery. So I want to see if it's really working. Got it on there for a while. Now from 79% to 70% on the brick. Let's see right here what I got on the Steam Deck. So the Steam Deck, remember earlier it was at 83%, and look what it's at 88%. That means this bad boy will definitely you can definitely play the game non-stop, and it won't drain the battery on the Steam Deck. Actually it's charging, and it's charging at a great speed. So let's check the thing right here real quick. Charging it at 15 volts at 2.1 amperes. It's going to fluctuate, because once it's charging and doing anything, these things are going to fluctuate, but at least it works. Not only that, I'm going to plug in my Android smart device, Android phone right here, to see if it will charge it as well. Boom. See, it's charging as well, my smartphone. This thing is a beast, and it's worth the price. I think for $59.99, I think it's underpriced, but it works. So you can take this bad boy wherever you go, and you can enjoy. You can plug in multiple devices on this thing. You can connect maybe, I think that you could connect like your laptops or whatnot, and you can enjoy good gaming with a nice size power bank that's going to get the job done. Now it's saying 69%. Let's see what we're talking about here. It's still charging because it's still doing its job. It's still doing the job. I like it. But anyhow, so if you're looking for a power bank that's not going to break, you're looking for a power bank that's not going to break your bank, this is the go-to right here. Baseus Power Bank. So anyhow, I'm out of here. This is JC. Thanks for tuning in. Oops, let me show you real quick. 89%. I'm still charging. Anyhow, this is JC. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope I can catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.